Good morning, all of you. Again, this is Pushpendra Kumar from Drone Education. Today, I will teach you how can we configure C and C++ compiler in Visual Studio Code. In my previous video, I have discussed with you how can we configure the Turbo C++ with the help of DOS box. Some of my friend was asking from me, you are very familiar with Turbo C++, why you are making a different video in Visual Studio Code? This is the simple answer from my side. If you are creating any program in Turbo C++, it will generate 16-bit DOS file. It will be executed in Windows 7 only. If you want to execute your file, exe file, in Visual Studio Code, it should be 64-bit or 32-bit. Clear? Now, if you are creating any program in Turbo C++ and you are using the GNU compiler, it will be generate 16-bit DOS file. If you are familiar with C and you are creating your C program in Turbo C++ compiler, it will be automatically generated 4 files. The first is .c extension created by the user. The second is executable file when you will compile your program. The third is backup file. The fourth is obj object file. And last evening when I was making a program in DOSBox, I have faced this problem. So I have decided I will switch my programming Turbo C++ to Visual Code. So let's start. Today I will teach you how can we configure, how can you start, how can you write your code in Visual Studio. So when you are creating your program, when you are designing your programming language in Visual Studio Code, firstly I will search on the Google. I will take the help from the Google. You will start Google Chrome and open Google. Top 10 compiler for C and C++. When you will see the search provided by the Google, you can see easily. The first IDE, Integrated Development Environment for C and C++, is you can see all the user, you can see this is our first grade IDE, Visual Studio Code. It is on first position. So I have decided to switch my Turbo C++ programming specification and Visual Studio Codes. Let's start. How can we install Visual Studio Code, or we can configure for Visual Studio Code for C and C++. First, please listen carefully. Open Google. You will type this MINGW. You will type MINGW. Click. You will press the enter key. Click on the first tab. Click on download button. Clear? Click on this icon, download icon. Click on this. The file will automatically download. Clear? Now we will start installation of this exe file in operating system. Double click on this file. Click on run. Click on install button. See the directory. This application will automatically generated the parents directory in C drive. C:/MINGW. Click on continue button. Clear? It will take some time for installation, so please see all the things. After installation of MINGW, we will configure the environment variables in our computer. Firstly, we will click on my computer, right click on my computer, click on properties, advanced system setting. These are the environmental variables. What we will do, firstly, you will open my computer, click on C drive, click on this icon, click on bin icon, click on address bar, right click on the text, copy the matter, minimize the text or you can close, click on properties, again click on advanced system setting, click on environment variables. We have two variables, first for user, the second is system variable. The first is user variables, the second is system variables. You will click on path, select, you will click on the path, again you will click on edit button, and the last type semicolon and control V. Click on OK button, okay. Close this box. Press window key plus R. Write CMD. Type GCC. We want to take the confirmation MINGW is properly installed in my computer or not. If when I will typing this command, if the command is showing this is not internal or external command, it means GCC is not properly configured in my computer. If when I will typing GCC space hyphen version and it is showing some specific information about GCC, it means it is completely installed. So let's start. Type GCC hyphen version version. Click. You can see on the window GCC MINGW.org GCC builds to 9.2.0. It's a version of GCC. It means GCC MINGW is properly configured in your Windows operating system. Now we will start the installation of Visual Studio codes. After that we will configure with C and C++ program. Clear? Rest of the things I will discuss with you in my next video. Thank you very much. For latest video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Drone Education. Thank you very much.